if you want to make your channel logo or channel subscription as private, first open the YouTube app and profile and click view channel and click this pencil icon and make sure this option were turned on. If this turned on, then only your channel logo and name, your subscription details will be as private. Here you can see keep all my subscriptions private. So make sure this option turned on. And second thing is to make your entire YouTube channel as private. Click this and click Google account and switch this to data and privacy and scroll down a bit. Then here you can see download or delete your data. Under this, delete your Google service. Click that and enter your Google account password. Next. Now you can see this option YouTube. Click this delete option. And here we have two options. I want to hide my content. I want to permanently delete my content. For now we are going to make our YouTube channel as private. So you need to choose this. I want to hide my content. Click this and select this. And here you can see your entire channel will be hidden. Your channel page, channel name, channel art and icon, your likes and subscription, everything will be hidden. Click hide my content. Hide my content. So it's updating. Yeah, that's it. Here you can see content hidden. You are all finished with that's it. After this, if you again want to make your channel as public, just log into your YouTube channel and just enter your password, and again it will be converted as public channel. So this is how we need to do. And if you want to know more videos about YouTube, watch this video.